All right, turning now to your 10 weather impact forecast. Jerry, have we reached the peak temperature yet for this day? Because we've just been watching the temperature rise.
It's gone up. Really 4 or 5 o'clock this time of the year. That's the top end. Once we get past that, the sun starts to sink finally and mercifully giving us a break. And that will be the case kind of repeating for the next 5 days, though. Afternoons and evenings, while not quite as bad as today, it says it's going to be blistering hot. It's going to be just nasty.
It's the feels like.
Yeah. My husband was out doing some yard work down at the cabin, and what was so strange, he said, I just went out there, you know, for a little while, and I came in like I showered in my clothes.
Yeah. I must say your hair is on point today, given the humidity. Well done, ladies.
Oh, thank you, Jerry.
It's tough. It's a struggle, right?
It is a struggle.
We are talking about heat index near 100 degrees this evening. We are going to catch a break in some spots this evening, but more so tomorrow. Now, here's why. Rain and storms start ramping up getting into the weekend. And while it might impact your weekend plans, it will also drop those temperatures down just enough that we're not going to see this oppressively, dangerously high heat index that we're dealing with today. Again, around 100 degrees. Looking at the conditions in terms of the satellite radar for us, a couple of clouds out there. That is it. There was one shower we were tracking northwest of Columbus. That's faded, headed towards southern Delaware County. But the other one we're watching right now down to the south. There's Ross County and there's Pike County. A couple of areas of thunder and lightning around Sunfish, weakening around Waverly. But as you know, they are few and far between. They'll be a bit more numerous tomorrow, and that's why it's still going to be hot and humid. But again, not quite as bad as it is today. We're 84 degrees this morning at 11 o'clock. Started off our day in the 70s, so a very soupy tropical feel to the day. Getting through the afternoon and the evening, watching a couple of clouds bubbling back up. Not quite the coverage that would give us a chance for some showers and storms here in Columbus, and not allow temperatures to get back in the low 90s. And when you factor in that humidity, it feels like nearly 99 degrees. We still have a breeze, about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Yeah, it's moving that hot, humid air around, but at least it's moving. It's not stagnant and still. We're looking at the conditions in that case going down as we get through tonight and tomorrow morning. Once we get past midnight, we'll get out of the 80s, down to the 70s. We're going to start very warm tomorrow and very still in place. And maybe a touch of fog in some spots that might get that shower this evening before you flip it around tomorrow back into the 70s and 80s. You will notice, though, we don't see a lot of 90s out there tomorrow, and here's why. More clouds, and we'll track that scattered shower or storm. High temperatures along the north of I-70, where you guessed it, there might be a bit more of a better chance of some showers. Mid to upper 80s. To the south of that line, 90 or better, and still very, very hot and humid. Hour by hour forecast, 6 a.m. till about noon. Has a couple of pop-ups, showers, 8 in the morning. Getting to about noon, that area from Delaware, Mount Gilead moves over toward Knox County and Coshocton. As we go through the middle of the afternoon, again, east and west of Columbus, toward Newark and Lancaster, over near Gehenna and there near Pickerington, and then west near London and just south of Marysville. That area continues to move to the east by 8 o'clock. A few more to the west and north around Bucyrus and back near London. So again, hit and mainly mist to the south. But as we go through the evening and tomorrow night, another cluster moves through the northern parts of the viewing area. Will settle down by Saturday morning, but then refire Saturday afternoon and again Sunday afternoon with those scattered showers and rumbles. 7-day forecast for you, 89 tomorrow, 90 on Saturday, 89 Sunday. 3 very similar days, very hot and very humid. But if you get the showers and storms, you're going to be in the low to mid 80s. Everybody dries out Monday and Tuesday, back in the low 90s. Wednesday, transitional day, a little cooler, 87, and then finally back to reality. A nice summer Thursday coming up with a high of 83.